Hi everyone, and today's video I'm going to be reacting to Chainsaw Man episode 12. Finale! Oh my god. Obviously we aren't even close to, kill the god devil, so that's going to be for later on. And I don't know, how long do I have to wait for this? Do we know? New season coming out? When? Please let me know in the comments. And before I get into the video, please subscribe to this channel if you are not subscribed, because there's a lot of more reactions coming and you don't want to miss them. So now let's go into the video. I mean, he cannot die because the future thing, devil, you know. So I think something is gonna happen, something is gonna come. Oh well, that didn't age it. Well. Yeah. And even if it wasn't, it's just a horrible habit. You don't want people to join you in that. Come on.
じゃあこの一本は私が預かっておこう。君が大人になって何かに寄りかかりたくなったら返してあげる。
Oh, like it must be bad. It must be horrible that it's the devil that she had a contract with, the one that he's fighting. The cigarette. Yes, true. It's a revenge.
幽霊の悪魔には目がないから恐怖心を見る。姫野先輩が言っていたことだ。姫野先輩、もうすぐ俺も行きます。
In 2 years. So does it come back to life because it's a ghost? I don't understand what happened with the snake when it ate it, and now she can control it.
殺すな。
Oh!
小紅、お前はどうして公安に残ったんだ？
Because I'm poor. I need money.
もうすぐボーナスが出るので。
Yeah.
ゲロー。
ああ、肉は肉じゃろ。豚も牛も人も同じじゃ。
全然違うね。俺たちの仕事は侍そう。
More than that, it's like rotten.
捕まえても食うんじゃねえぞ。こいつら気づいてね。大きな声出すなよ。
No.
わしの名はパワー。はっ。こいつらなら勝てる。勝負じゃ。デンジ、わしについてこい。後ろは任せるぞ。
Bye bye.
どんなもんだ。わしは逃げてない。気高い。美しい。
Oh, that's a big one.
強敵じゃ。デンジ、見てろ。そして言い伝えろ。パワーが一番最強だ。
Okay. He doesn't even care of leaving her alone. It's like, bleh.
待て待て待て。少し話さないか。
Oh, now you wanna talk?
俺のじいちゃんを殺した。
Okay.
償いをしてほしい。
てめえのお仲間もじいちゃんもゾンビなってたから殺したんだぜ。
嘘つくんじゃねえ。学歴のねえバカすぐ嘘つきやがる。心臓が刀の悪魔になっちまってるみてえだが、そんな俺でもな、うっかりゾンビを殺しちまった夜には眠れなくなるぜ。お前に限っては心がもう人じゃねえんだよ。
Oh.
少しでも人の良心が残ってるなら、俺たちにおとなしく殺されねえか。
No.
やだ。
Obviously.
なるほど。 じゃあ切り殺してやるよ。
やってみろよブ
Oh my god. I wonder why Denji doesn't have any more. Maybe it's more about the personality that they had as humans, and sadly Denji had a horrible life, so you know, I don't know. Oh well.
前よりは動けるみたいだな。デンジ、お前は何のために戦ってる？
この生活を守るためかな。
公安様はそんな大層な暮らししてんのか？
Yeah, a bit.
口うるせえのとわがままなのがいるけどなそこそこ気に入ってるぜ。だからさっさとてめえ倒してマキマさんに褒めてもらうんだ。
お前は俺には勝てね
ああ、もう勝ったつもりでいんのか？俺はまだ死んでねえぞ。
え。雑魚だ。
Oh. Oh.
ただいま車内に異常が発生して緊急停車いたします。ドアが開きますので速やかに外へ避難してください。理解します。ただいま車内に
Yeah, run. Uh-oh. This is bad. With one arm.
ああ、禁止にしようぜそれ。
Coming back. Oh my god. Shit.
そうが残ってるからね。
バカが。じいちゃんに謝罪しろ。そうしたら楽に殺してやる。
I mean, I get why he wants the apology, obviously, but I think Denji needs to also explain why.
バーカ。ジジイに教わらなかったか？獣が狩人の言葉信じるなってな。
On the leg! Oh my god. So is he dead?
やっぱあんた俺と同じなんだな。てめえの手の刀抜いたらさ、真っ二つの体もくっついたぜ。てめえは姫の先輩を殺した。面のいい美人てめえのせいで世界から一人減ったんだなのにてめえは反省もせず一生刑務所暮らし。それじゃ俺がすっきりしね
お前には何もできねえだろう。公安の犬風罪がよ。
時計館前線路内にて拘束済みの目標を発見。応援求む。
早川の先輩も参加するか？最強の大会によ。
お前は何を言ってんだ？
Yeah, what the heck?
こいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃った。
Okay.
だからこいつも弾を撃たれるべきだろ。だから大会を開く。お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。
正気かお前。
そんなことしたって姫の先輩は喜ばない。
ああ、そう。
Do you think? Maybe. So just because he wanted revenge on his grandpa, he
ああ、
did this whole thing with the
勝ったら何くれんだ？
そりゃもちろん。
like to me it doesn't make a lot of sense. There must be something else as well, because just because he wanted revenge on his grandpa about what happened, he's gonna do this deal with the gun devil and this whole thing about attacking the public. I think that I guess there's something more, because it's a bit. I'm curious about that one. about those birds.
姫野先輩、天国まで聞こえるか？俺たちからあんたへのレクイエムだ。
今回のテロ事件は沢渡茜という元民間のデビルハンターが発端でした。彼女が銃の悪魔と契約し、銃をヤクザに流しました。その対価として沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を要求していたそうです。
それでなぜ沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓？
それが聞き出す前に。
She did that.
自殺。
銃の悪魔との契約で自動的に自殺したのかもしれません。
Oh.
今回の事件でビル内から銃の悪魔の肉片を
Well, that's a lot.
1.4 キロ押収。
That's a lot.
我々公安が
1.4
持っている
kilos.
5キロの肉片と合わせた結果、ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました。
Whoa! So now they know.
どこに向かって動いた？
This was like the beginning, wasn't it? Like the first episode.
いつも見る夢だ。
Oh.
いつも見て、いつも忘れる夢。
デンジ、
落ちた。
Oh.
落ちた。出てこいよ。夢の中くらい撫でさせてくれ。
デンジ、絶対に開けちゃダメだ。
Why? Who's that?
デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
I guess they capture the katana guy. Good. The other lady commits, you know, unalive herself, okay? So they cannot get any info. What is this door? I guess that door is kind of like a metaphor, or whatever you call it. But the fact that Pachita is there, you know, saying, hey, don't go, I guess it's something devilish, maybe? I don't know. And, oh my god, that was a big chunk of the gun devil flesh thing. So, starting moving, okay. So now they know where to go. Oof. Okay, yeah. I want to see when. I need to know when it's going to continue. At the beginning, with the first episode, I was just like, what the heck is this? But you know what? It's cool. It's quite interesting. I love it. And I love that, you know, Denji is not your regular guy. You know? It's so different to the regular protagonist. And I like it. So yeah. Please drop a comment, let me know what you think, and let me remind you that if you're a member of this channel, among other perks, you will have early access to all my videos, and I also have Patreon where I upload the full unedited reactions, also with early access, and with any of those you will be helping me a lot so I can invest more time in create content for you guys. But if you cannot, it's fine, just please like, share, comment this video, and that will also help me a lot. So have a lovely rest of the day, and see you in the next video.